Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another haul for you, and this time it's a Hobby Lobby 90% off clearance. I know, so exciting, 90% off clearance fall sale. I may have to break this haul up into two parts, but we'll see as we get into it. So with that said, well, let me take a time to welcome you back. Hey, and if you're new, welcome. And with that said, let's dive into this haul because I have so many goodies to show you.
The first thing I'm going to start with is this tablecloth. And yeah, I'm not going in any particular order, y'all. I'm just going as I grab the items. But this was originally $22.99. So it ended up being like $2.30. So the next thing I have is this tablecloth. And this one is was originally $25.99, so which makes it like $2.60 with the 90% off, and it's a different brand. It says Robert Stanley, and I guess this is just their brand fall. But anyway, this one is a lot bigger. I wish I would have paid attention to the size when I was picking them up. Also, this is the largest one they carry. Oh, I wish I would have paid attention because I would have gotten this one in a larger print too. I mean, the larger size. But, I mean, for the price I paid, can't complain too much, can you? So next, I grab these dish towels. And I don't know why I just grabbed one set of them. I kind of was, like, stuck when I was there shopping. Because, there, of course, you know, there's people, they're grabbing. And I couldn't decide what I needed to get. But I got these originally $6.49. And they end up being 64 cents a piece. And I did get two of them, because I love doing sunflowers with my fall theme. Now that I have a clear head and I'm thinking, I really wish I would have gotten probably around at least 4 to 6 of them, because these are the flour sack towels, and these will make really nice napkins, like cloth napkins. So, yeah, I was not thinking that one through. I should have got more of these. So, next is this apron, and let me see how much it costs. It was originally $20, so I got it for 2, and it says Crazy Pumpkin Lady, and I got it because, well, first of all, it's really cute, but I love that it says Crazy Pumpkin Lady because when fall comes, I love all the pumpkins. Short, tall, round. I just love them. Different color pumpkins, and so this is a print. The bottom of the apron, and look at the pockets, and it even is trimmed in like this. I love the trim of this. So this is just a cute apron. It's really pretty, and it actually matches the tablecloths, I guess. But yeah, if you want to match your tablecloth, I actually have a table runner that looks like this print too. You'll see it coming up. So I'll be matching my tablecloths next year. That's so funny. But this is what the top of it looks like too. It just has that embroidery and more of that trim. Oh, I'm so excited. Like, these types of hauls are so exciting when you can get good deals like this. Now, I just grabbed these placemats, and these were originally $12.99. So they ended up being $1.30, around $1.30, and you get 2 of them. So I grabbed 2 sets of them, and I got them because, I mean, the price, of course. The price was great, but look at this. I'm trying to show you. Okay, the scallop edge. Can you see the print? Okay. I just want to be sure you can see the print because it's such a pretty print, and I love the scallop edge on it. It's just so classic. Really pretty. So I got 2 of these, which now I'm like, you should have got 2 more to set a table of 6, but oh well. Next, I have this table runner. This is just a classic fall colors that I got, and it was originally $17.99, which made it about $1.80, and it's just the other side. And you could take this tag off and flip it over to this plain color. Well, I guess not, because you'll still see the plaid on the other side, but I thought this was really nice. And I mean, $1.80 to like $2. It's actually a pretty good thickness too. So I got this one, and I know as soon as y'all are seeing this, you're like me, like thinking like this could be used for Christmas, because that's what I was thinking when I grabbed it. This was originally $20, so I got it for like $2. I wish I would have gotten at least 2 more of these. This is when I wasn't thinking, and I'm not sure if they had placemats to match, but it's perfect for Christmas. I mean, it just gives a snowy backdrop. So I should have gotten more. I think I'm gonna put this above my fireplace mantle to cover it and give it like a snowy look. Okay, so next I have these picks, floral picks. So like I said, I'm not going in any kind of order. It's just as I grab the stuff. But I got these picks I'm not sure what they're called, what this type of flower is, but they were $3.99, so they ended up being 39 cents or 40 cents. And this is where I should have gotten just a bit more, because I do like to make wreaths. See, they're a closer look of kind of what they look like on the inside, but I'm gonna keep them together because after this haul, I'm gonna pack all this up, because as of now, it's 2 days before Thanksgiving. So yeah, so I'll be packing all this up. But next floral picks I have are these acorns, and they are 39 cents, and I definitely should have got more of these, because it's not just acorns. You have little baby pine cones, you have little tiny leaves on here, some berries, and this will be really pretty as an arrangement or a wreath. Any of that is going to be really nice in. Yes, I did grab all of what they had of these pumpkins, the little fluffy pumpkins, and these were originally $6.99, so they ended up being 70 cents a piece. But I thought these would be cute, and look how long. I don't know if you can tell how long the stem is, but these will be really nice in the tall vase. I got these mushrooms. I finally caved into the mushrooms, but originally $5.49, so they ended up being around 54 cents. For 2 of them, and they're fluffy, really cute. So these would be really cute inside of a wreath or just a floral arrangement, and these were the only colors they had, so I grabbed them. I'm not a big mushroom fan, but I do feel like these will be pretty in some wreaths. Now I done got these tangled up already. Some garland. I got this. Okay, so this was originally $11.99, so it ended up being $1.20 a piece. I got these to take apart, so I'm glad that they're on, and they're actually glued to the clothespins. I did not realize that in the store, but I want the leaves to craft with, and I got one in gold and one in bronze. So I'm hoping that these leaves come apart, but I'm not going to check until next year. That'll be that's next year's problem. That's next year Jalen's problem, not this year Jalen, because I'm not going to worry about it now. But y'all, I know y'all gonna get sick of hearing me say a wreath, because you're like, girl, how many wreaths can you even make? Like, how many wreaths do you need? But I just like making them, and that's what I thought about. And just not just wreaths, just like these would be cute to decorate little signs, or you could even put one of these on top of like a place setting, write someone's name across or here, like in a gold metallic marker for their table setting for Thanksgiving. Cute idea. Another mushroom item that I got. Okay, I don't know if you can tell from this angle what this is. It's a timer, and it was originally $4.99, so which made it 49 cents. So I just wanted it. A little timer. I don't know how to do it. Does it work? Oh, it does work. Okay. And you just set it to what you want it to be. Pretty cool. It's ticking. Y'all hear it? Can y'all hear that? So it's working. I have this just year round, because sometimes I do need a timer to get things done. But anyway, now I can't get it off. So moving on, let me see if y'all can, it's kind of crooked. So I got this sign, and it's really sturdy wood. And it just has little plant smiles, grow giggles, harvest love, and happy fall. I just got this to go out. Of course, look, let me show you. No, it's a yardstick. It's kind of big. Hold on, let me show y'all this way. See? So I just got this because it was $12.99, so it'd be $1.30. I have one of these in my yard for fall now, and it was like kind of like that particle board wood, and it's not held up. Like, it's gonna have to get thrown away. This one is wood, so I feel like this will last a couple of years. And my outside, I bought, Hobby Lobby had like metal corn yardsticks, and so I put the corn out, and like a cornfield, I had what are they called? Those little scarecrows. I had scarecrows in there, and so I'm just gonna keep going with that theme again next fall outside, and I just got more things to add to that. So next I have these little spoons. They're so cute. They were originally $3.99, so I got them for 40 cents. But I don't know why I got these. They're mainly because they were cute, and I was thinking that I could scoop tiny things with these, but then I was like, girl, what tiny things are you scooping with this? Y'all, like I said, that's not this year me's problem. That's next year's me's problem. She's gonna have to figure out what to do with these. I also got this table. What is this? They're calling it fall party confetti. Okay, That's cute. Fall party confetti. When the leaves change, it does look like confetti sometimes. But I just got this to do crafts. Just some loose leaves, and there's 300 in here. This was originally $3.99, so it ended up being 40 cents per bag. I mean, y'all, the prices, 90% off prices, you cannot beat them. But yeah, I got these cute and little leaves. I got 4 of these, and I'm guessing that they are, oh, these are platters. Why did I get 4? Y'all, I was thinking that these are chargers, but they're not. They're platters. Oh, 4 of them. They were originally $20, so they ended up being $2. So I probably will keep 2 of them and possibly give 2 to like my sister or my cousin. They love to decorate too. Well, my sister not so much, but my cousin loves to decorate. So I'll probably end up giving her 2 of these if she wants them. If she wants them. So if she's watching, cousin, if you're watching and you want 2 of these, let me know and I'll give them to you. But I really thought these were chargers. But I mean, like I say, I have some to keep and some to give. I also like 2 because it's on the back side how it looks. You could craft with these. You really could craft and put something here. But I think I'm going to use them as what they are, platters. And like I said, I'm going to probably give 2 of them to my cousin. Now, this is an actual charger. And it was $5.99. So it'll be a 60 cents. I wanted to get at least 8 of these. They had 1. They had 2 of them. Actually, one was tore up and they had this one. So I just thought, you know, it could be, I could use it in decor in the dining room. I could put something here if I want. Oh, you guys, I'm just sitting here thinking, and I know it's like all for next year, but one year Dollar Tree had some fake leather leaves. That would be cute around here. Oh my gosh, if I glue the whole thing with those fake leather leaves, because they're a lighter color than this, and put something in the middle. Oh, that would be cute. I could use this as like a tray to decorate with. I could do a lot. That's why I grabbed it. That's why I grabbed it. See, I didn't know at the time what I was going to do with it. Glad I grabbed it. So, let's grab something else, but we're going to get pretty close to, I'm going to probably stop soon and just film the rest of the haul and have it posted tomorrow. So next, I have some garland. I have two different garlands, and I got 2 of these. Okay, so I have this garland, and it was $8.99, so it ended up being 90 cents, and I only got 2. I should have got at least 2 more, but they have the little berries on here. How cute. And if you don't like to use this as garland or put it in a wreath, you can always just cut pieces of this for crafting. And you'd have enough to last for like forever. So I got 2 of these. Next, I have this fake leaf garland. It was $10.99. I did get 2 of these. I don't know what I did with the other one. But look how pretty this is. And so it ended up being $1.10. Not bad. And you could even leave it as how they have it like this. This would be a cute little table setting. You could put some pumpkins on top of it. Put some fake candles around it. And this is already like your decor right here. But this is another item that I know you're going to hear me keep saying I should have got more. But I really should have gotten at least 4 of these. Because, I mean, they're so pretty. And I love adding these to garland. You can add them to, like I said, you can make your own tablescape with them. So anyway, I did get 2, so at least I got 2 of them. Got these, not roses. I don't know why I was calling these roses, but roses are on my mind, I guess. I got these sunflowers, and they're originally $3.99. I got them for 40 cents, and I do have like 6 of these. I just don't know where I put them. They're somewhere, but look how pretty these are. They're a statement. They're definitely a statement. So I definitely did grab like 6 of these. I may have gotten 8 of them. Another mushroom decor item. Let's see if you can see that. So this is a table runner, and it was originally $16.99. So it ended up being $1.70. So they definitely got me roped in on the mushroom train for this haul. Because I did get a few mushroom items. And like I said, I normally am like, what is the mushroom decor? But with this one, I definitely caved in. So that is the end of this part of the haul. It's definitely not the end of this haul. I'm just going to post that tomorrow because it was a pretty big haul. And if you would like to see those items, don't forget to come back tomorrow because you know you want to see what I got then too. But with that said, I'll see y'all tomorrow for the rest of the haul. And thanks for watching. Bye.